Is your outdoor lighting system working like the day it was installed? Find out with a free lighting assessment score from Outdoor Lighting Perspectives. Here's how it works. Once you schedule your appointment, our certified technicians will arrive at your home and walk your property to analyze every element of your system. We'll review your existing lighting design and provide suggestions on safety, curb appeal, outdoor living spaces, and the surrounding landscape. Then we analyze your system for proper performance and efficiency, including testing all fixtures, bulbs, timer, controls, and power supply. We'll assess what needs to be repaired and adjusted, and then you'll get a score. We'll also provide any recommendations on how to improve the design and functionality of your system. Outdoor Lighting Perspectives provides year-round maintenance on all outdoor lighting systems, even if we didn't do the installation ourselves. Visit outdoorlights.com to schedule your free lighting assessment score today.